Looks like we got somebody back here blocking a loading zone, which is the handicap ramp. This particular guy right here was blocking the ramp, the wheelchair ramp for the handicapped person right here. And he was parked right on top of this sidewalk where you got a wheelchair where you roll through at. And I imagine he lives in one of these three units right here. I don't guess he's gonna come out. It'd be nice if we could see what this guy looked like. Sticker. It's like somebody tore the freaking the handicap sign. Looked like it was broke off there. Somebody broke the damn sign off of here. Man, you got to be kidding me, man. And no handicap placard. Let's see here. Let's see how they like that. That car will be there tomorrow when I come through here.